Good morning, people. It's time for LS Fest, baby.
I don't know how it's
Woo! Everybody's awake. Not happy to be awake.
not happy.
Fixing to pull the truck up and get some shit in it. I should probably go open the damn garage door because, you know, that's over there and I'm over here. It's gonna be a great day, folks. Good morning, pregnant lady. See, everybody's really happy to be awake. It's awesome. I'm fucking happy to be awake. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna load some shit in the truck right now. Kind of get going. Get our shit together. We got some, oh man, you can't see shit. Get the light on. Yeah, we got some chairs. We're gonna bring this fucking table. Got our sunglasses. Got our canopy over here in the corner. Got Will over here. He's like, man, I'm gonna bring up a truck. Hell yeah, we're gonna try to put the Silverado in the show and shine. That way we got some decent parking. And who knows? You never know what you're gonna win unless you try to win it. But we'll see y'all on the road. Oh shit, yeah, we still got 15 cents. Woohoo! Shell fuel points, baby. Huh? Yep. So what, we paying $204 for that bitch? I get the premium and everything, so you see what the fuck I pay. Because the Golf takes premium, the Challenger takes premium. All right, man. Get some gasoline. Totally got you itching your balls.
Cool.
Huh?
Anything to snack on?
Nah.
Huh?
You guys want anything to snack on?
I mean, I'm hungry.
Yep. We do gotta get some breakfast. We're already running fucking behind like an hour, so because it's early as fuck. So I don't know. Goddamn Will got the floor mat so like waxed up with fucking Armor All. He's about to die getting in this fucking truck.
Fucking McGuire's, get it right.
Megwires? How do you
Disrespect me with Armor All?
Well, it's okay. We're fixing to switch to chemical guys anyway. Guys, seriously, this has got to be the sickest Nissan Altima I think I've ever seen. SV, super.
Vagina.
What does that say?
Henderson lean.
Oh shit, bro. We on that lean. We about to get mean. We're gonna be some sick ass SoundCloud rappers, guys. We're gonna make an album.
I would race them, but
You'd probably destroy it, dude.
no, dude, those
This
things
Nissan
are like
is so
130,
fun.
bro.
It's got carbon fiber wrap hood, bro. Oh shit! What the fuck is that? Yeah, you're definitely gonna want to be in front of them, but this truck's just not. It's not gonna happen. Bam, 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 like a shark.
They got a bird right there.
What bird?
In the grass. Oh my god, you're just...
You gotta be more specific, babe. Is it in front? Is it behind? Is it right on the side? Where's the fucking bird? Alright, so we're on the way to LS Fest. Check out the scenery. Sunlight. Got another field. That sunrise. I was about to say sunset, but that's not what it is. I don't know. Pretty fucking pumped, but it's hard to be pumped when you're
Way
stuck
too fucking pumped.
behind some
Goddamn
bullshit.
5 o'clock this morning, this dude was like freaking the fuck out.
I wasn't freaking the fuck out.
Oh, this is not the way to go, right?
Yeah, you follow
I do that every time.
Everybody does that shit. They
Every
all
time.
fucking go over there, but you gotta go over here and take a right. So everybody just goes right here and they're like, fuck, and they just run across the shit. Right there in the middle.
Oh, he's about to.
Yeah. So we're about, what, halfway there or some
Exactly
shit?
what I
About halfway there. Let's go. Finna get some cash money. Gotta get that bread, you know what I mean? Movie. We're gonna get some money out. so we can get some stuff going, go through the gate and all that stuff, get into showing shines and whatnot with the old Silverado. Got the Silverado right here, baby. She's not a LS, but she might be a LT though, or whatever that means. It's a yeah. She's got a twin turbo 5.3 bored out, stroked.
Stock camo.
Yeah, it's got a stock cam, but we're gonna get some cash and shit, and then we will probably see all the tracks. Road, man. Now you're coming through the last neighborhood before we get to the track. Everybody's at work because we're in the middle of a fucking field. What?
Bro, is this another small Galaxy in front of us?
Well, it's got Galaxy real big right on the old back porch there. Got the vents, got the Trans Ams, been a roll up and registered for some show and shine.
Yes, sir.
Straight down the hill.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate it. Hell yeah, guys. Woo! Nasty Camaro. You're in the middle of the road. Flipping fucking.
Like, I don't want to participate in the best thing on the planet.
Hell yeah. Bro. Oh, that was like, damn, is that a Land Rover? It's a fucking Trailblazer.
Oh, in front of us?
I didn't know what it was. I mean,
Oh,
you.
I'll do the stock 20. It's so good on it.
Oh yeah. I think I don't really like those snowflakes, like that color, silver. Y'all know I'm not a fan of silver, first of all, because silver to me is like the most garbage fucking color. Most base model looking, just bullshit.
There's someone saw that had a machine front.
It just-
black out edge. It's
Yeah, see, like you have to have some sort of in-between stuff, you know?
down here to register.
It's in a red and white building. Since y'all ain't got a trailer, you can probably drive right there too.
Yeah, thank you.
And you go out the back. Was you here last year?
Yeah.
Same way. You go out, come back in.
All right, thank you. I wasn't over here last year. Well, I was here last year.
Well, they have the gate open down there, for the parking stuff. Just keep going. I don't care who it is. It might not be a Duster. Oh, it's a Demon though. It's the same body style, pretty much, except the front end's a little different. Oh, that's sick. Bro, it's got like tiny little mufflers on the side pipes, bro. I'm not getting in. I'm not getting back in. I think they're C7 style. All right, so we're going down there. You gonna hang out there, little lady? Just leave the keys here. Ain't nobody gonna steal the truck. Because every car here is like super expensive.
Oh, damn, I was gonna wear pants today so I could walk around with my guns, but I had to leave it in here.
Oh,
I don't even know if you
to be honest, I would probably just leave it in there anyways.
Yeah, I got.
Oh.
I'll get
Are we splitting this shit?
Yeah.
What?
Let me get some cash. Yep. I told you I gotta talk to the bank. Thanks, baby. Kiss cam. That's going in the video too.
How the fuck you look out and get a sugar
good?
bubble?
Money back? He never gave me money.
All right, what's up, people?
You didn't
We're gonna
put it
be
on there?
registering for the car show, Will's truck.
I'm
So,
just gonna write you my
we're gonna get hooked up and get one of them things. Boom. Gotta have some type of know-how what we're doing and where we're going today. I'm gonna grab a spectator ticket for Tasha as well, so she can get in up there and be good to go.
Oh, she's sitting in the
There it is. She'll be all right. She got the keys. She can get out and fucking start it. Anyway, walking back up to the truck. We're gonna drive down around here, get Tasha her little wristband. It's the will call.
Yeah, we can totally just drive down there.
Damn, dude.
You told me to fucking park.
I'm telling you, I don't know what's in this Challenger, but it looks fucking rowdy. Bro, it's got Chevy wheels, Chevy center caps.
Oh, no, that's.
I'm not sure what I'm seeing here, but there's definitely Chevrolet center caps on this here Challenger. I don't know. Seems suspicious to me. Got all registrated. Now we gotta drive around down there. You gotta go get your ticket at the will call. I know it looks suspicious, right? Got them Chevy center caps on there. I don't know what's going on. Do you see this Challenger back here? It's got Chevy center caps. It may be LS swap, folks.
Definitely wrecked.
We don't know for sure, but we'll see you down there when we get ready to park. What's up, people? Got Corvettes out here. Got this sick looking SS. Damn, what color is that?
It's like Hunter.
Dang, dude. That's awesome.
Oh, with a flake?
Oh, I can't wait to see that in the light.
Dude, that looks so sick.
Dang. Get the drag pack, baby. Get the radials on the back. 1320 crews down there. Checking in. Got some Motor Trend guys here, man. It's gonna be a hell of a show today.
Where am I going? I thought
Just go that way. But don't get hit by the clapped out Blazer. God damn it, I'm trying to win a car show and you fucking hit me!
I'd have a new truck.
Yep, there's the registration right there, folks. We got a whole big line. There's people waiting right now. Going through there. We're going down here to the other side of the little park. They said we can go out this way, so I don't know. Squinting, I got sunglasses on my head again. And they said we can go through, so. Because remember, he told us we don't have to come back up. Goddamn beeper.
It'll stay on. Won't come back on for like 10 minutes.
Oh. Oh, look, they give us instruction signs there. Got the old Silver Doe entered in the show, 2018. Super modified with an exhaust and a color intake. But it's white, so it's fucking beautiful. Just saying.
I feel like we're getting on the track over here.
That's just, you know, my opinion. I really dig like white color vehicles. Just, I mean, anything pearl. This color's, is this flaky?
No, it's just
Not really that flaky.
There's
Faster
Jeremy.
Brahms! Woo! Hell yeah, we got Jeremy rolling down there with his. Oh, dude, that's that fast ass Escalade,
Yeah,
man.
that's the
Damn.
porcopotamus.
Got the porcopotamus out here. Got all these dudes camping. Hopefully, y'all are ready to hear some noise. Hopefully, nobody's sleeping over here because we're about to get woken the fuck up. Follow the old track trailer there with the
We're
spade
gonna
on
end
the
up
back.
on the track, bro.
No, we're not.
Oh, is that Honda that's fucking like 1,000 horsepower? That Odyssey?
Oh, I don't know. Either way, over here we're gonna end up coming out. See, look, there's the drift track right
Oh, yeah,
there.
okay.
So we're just on the other side before we came out over there. So when we get up here, we're gonna take a left and go up the hill. Once we get out to the fucking road, we're gonna go up the hill there, take a right, like we're leaving again, basically.
Okay.
And then we're gonna park over there somewhere.
Tricky Ricky. Oh no, you're Slick Rick. That's what it was.
Tricky Ricky. Got some people out here
Yo, that's
camping,
a
man.
dope ass fucking GMC right there.
Yeah, that's pretty sick. Duramax, baby. Denali HD. Only heavy duty truck you need. Eight.
Nice.
8 in the V, sit down to pee. 6 in a row, ready to tow. Yeah, Cummins, toot toot.
Jesus Christ, I'll never do that again.
Oh man, what are you laughing at back there?
No, no, no.
Those rims are pretty cool.
On what?
This Silverado right here.
Oh, bro, are those XDs?
They're really shiny.
They are shiny because they're chrome. Chrome sucks. Back. I set the whole canopy up by myself. Nobody freaking wanted to help me. You know, of course.
Bullshit.
You know, I mean, she's pregnant, so she wasn't gonna help anyway.
I hope. Thank you.
She's helping by carrying the baby around all day. Wilden, he's just yelling at me the whole time, telling me how to do it, but I just ignored him and did it myself. Now he's gonna clean his whole truck by himself because he didn't help me.
If I'm gonna have the only stock truck in this whole car show, it's gonna be the cleanest stock truck in this whole car show.
It's not stock.
It's stock.
Man, it's got exhaust and it's got a colder intake, right? so it's not stock. That's modified from stock. So it smells like race gas in here, freedom and shit. It's great. Let me set y'all down for me in one chair. Dang, bro, that's some sick tint.
10 off my dad's house.
All right, we'll see y'all in a minute. We'll go check out some stuff, walk around.